Yes. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wow, what are we gonna do today? I just got blinded by the lights. Today I am back and we are doing Fishy Friday. Today's not Friday, but so we're gonna do things a little differently for the sake of you guys seeing the lick and also learning about the fish. And also, I want to make it a little bit faster so that I can get to next Fishy Friday. Today, I am also doing something a little bit different because I am reviewing this guy. This is the Blend Party Makeup Brush Set by Vanity Planet. It has all these brush sets, as you can see. And one is missing because I've already tried using that one in a different video. But I want to show you guys this brush set, guys, what this brush set can do, because I'm going to be doing a lot of like lines and things like that today. I am actually doing a fish today that I caught by myself. Well, not by myself, but that I caught on my recent trip to San Diego. And I can't believe I got it. I have been wanting to catch this fish for so long and I finally caught it and it just feels so glorious. And so I'm really excited to show you guys. It actually changes sexes as it grows older. I think it goes from male to female. I'll double check that. But it is an amazing specimen of a fish. It's so pretty. I don't even know how nature creates things like this. But anyways, without further ado, let's get bubbling. I'm gonna use my handy dandy Norvina palette because this has so many colors. Like, you can't go wrong with this palette. Like, I mean, if you ever want a fish face, Norvina's your shit. Alright, so unlike other times, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a foundation first because I'm going to be adding a lot of colors up front. I am using Sen Skin Foundation. This is a clean beauty product. It is non-toxic, cruelty-free, and it's gluten-free, mineral oil-free, and paraben-free. It's also perfume-free, so a lot of things. It's all free. Alright, I'm gonna go in with kind of this sort of brush. I'm gonna go and put in that reddish orange vibe all over. Yeah! Ooh, I'm already looking like the fish. Okay. So if you look really, really closely, its eyelids are actually purple. Or in the picture that I found, the eyelid was purple. So I want to make a purple eye and on top of this situation. So I'm gonna do that. I mean, I think it's new, so it's like not very comfortable for me, but it blends pretty good. Like, I was very surprised, and I thought it would be really bulky and like you can't really see where you're blending, but it blends really well. As you can see, like, it's doing its job. While I'm doing the other eye, I'll tell you guys about this fishing trip I had, which was amazing, to be honest. I loved it so much. I loved every moment. I vlogged the whole thing, so I will be doing a vlog very soon. But first of all, it was my first time bottom fishing, so it was amazing. It's a little different than if you're trolling, trolling is kind of like when you're on top of the water and you see those boats go by and they have the lines out the back. That's called trolling. And I really like that technique as well, but right now it's not really tuna season, so we didn't really get to catch any tuna, although we caught one tuna and we filleted it and we ate it as sashimi, and it was so good, you guys. Like, literally there's nothing like fresh frickin' fish. Just fillet it, eat it with soyu and some wasabi. It is good. Just want to show you guys real fast because I did this eye. I'm like starting to do this eye, and I don't know if it's because I'm more comfortable doing this one, but this one is not going on very well with the vanity brushes. It's just like hard for me to grab it and like kind of arch it in a certain way, so it's like kind of becoming more messy. So I'm just kind of using more like my regular brush. I will also say as well, it is like these brushes are a lot more soft, and those brushes are, it's a lot more like harsh. I'm gonna cut crease and I'm gonna put some purple, why do I say it like that? I'm gonna put some purple sparkles in the front part. Wow, I love that. Wow, I'm happy. Video over. I'm gonna do the eyebrows a little different because the fish has very like spiky, you know, fin things on its back, and I kind of want to make my eyebrows like that. Ooh, yeah, that's the look I was going for. Yes. That looks crazy, but don't worry. I'll emerge as a fish. I'm gonna do the bottom right here in white because that's what this is showing. This is drying. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty and just get that glow. Ooh, okay. You know, like, I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I don't. It's like really trial and tribulations. Seriously. This is the final look. I don't know if this is a sheep head, but I feel like with the bright orange and kind of the mix of the white and the black lip, I hope that this reminds you of a sheep head. I feel like it's a little bit of a fail. Like, I don't know if it's completely a sheep head because I did want to do like a black stripe, but I just like, I didn't have anything to do a black stripe with, and it's actually a lot harder than I thought. Like, I thought it was gonna be super easy to like do the line, do like the black contour, and then do like an orange, but it was like a lot harder than I thought. And then I think the one thing that I feel like I did succeed at is like the eyebrows, because it is like the fin shape. So I'm really happy about the eyebrows. I don't know about anything else, but I do like the eyes. That's what it is. Alright you guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little faster and a lot more like speed ups and stuff like that than usual. Less talking. I don't know, maybe you like me talking less. I don't know. Anyways, if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and put all the comments down below. Thank you so much you guys for commenting recently, and all my friends for coming through. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 by, I don't know, end of this year, I hope. So let's go Saltites. Ooh, okay, bye.